We're ready to mingle with owls. Oh, I love this balcony. Feels like I can fly. Outfit on point, breaking in them new Yeezys. All right, today we're gonna be hitting up an owl cafe for breakfast. The only reason why I suggested we do this is because yesterday's vlog petted an owl for the first time in my life and I just fell in love. Birds are cool. I think we're gonna be meeting Mila G there too, and then afterwards we're gonna be, if you guys have ever come across like Mario Kart drivers in Japan, you can actually sign up for it and we're actually gonna be doing that today, so looking forward to it. Look at these guys, man. It's like a gang, like a gang.
Look at me.
And Birdie wearing.
Turn around.
Hey.
Turn around.
Okay, sure. Yes.
I'm gonna focus it.
Thanks.
So swaggy, bruh.
Swaggy Japan. In case you guys were wondering what Shibuya Crossing looks like in daylight, Mr. Derps. So like past previous days, again, we're early. So most of the stores aren't even open yet. So we've decided to take a few shots in the alleyways because, you know, actually most of the settings here are like background worthy for photo shoots, so it's awesome. Peace. Guys, we found it. Happy endings happen here. The Lost Burger, round 2. You know how we do. Guys, look who I found.
Hey! Mila again in Japan.
Alright, now that we found Mila, we're gonna be heading to the Owl Cafe in Harajuku. There's a knight and there's a lady.
There's a green gorilla.
What the hell is going on here, bro? So we made it here, but apparently the Owl Cafe is for reservations only. So I'm gonna see if we can eat here. You don't get to see the owls. Yeah, so we checked it out, and it is only for reservations today. So couldn't try it. So sad, but we're gonna try somewhere else. Hey, what up, bruh? We are in Shinagawa, trying to look for food. That's how it's done, guys. If you don't got a friend, get a gorilla pod and hold it yourself. We're done. Okay, we just finished lunch. Now we're heading to the Mario Kart thing to drive karts around the city. Dude, alright, let's do this. guess this is where we suit up.
So like reintroduce each other. I don't remember your names. You're Ken, I'm Nina.
License?
Suit up, bro.
Oh, dude.
Hey. I think I found my costume.
Okay.
Actually, he chose Yoshi. I ended up going with Pika.
Are you serious?
Who's that? Princess Peach. Alright, so we just finished up. That was a blast and a half. Definitely coming back. Lots of dust in my eyes, but it was worth it.
That was so windy.
Thanks, Jeff. Here, I can take that. Thanks, man. That was crazy, man. Can't believe you followed. Thank you very much. I got this, I got this.
You know how to do that?
No, I'm stuck. Holy.
That's weird, man.
Sketch, man. All finished.
That's it. Yeah, thank you.
Let's check out Atsuro's car. This thing is so sweet. Clean. Alright, round two. We actually came back to the Airbnb.
Get my tripod.
No, so that Ken could take a shit.
Oh, that's a lot.
Change clothes, so we're just gonna stick around this area and hopefully get some shots. Ken's gonna be testing out his photography skills.
This water only costs 78 yen. So cheap.
Beep, 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 beep. My bro is dead.
Gonna get mad at you, man.
Saga, man. Everyone follow Articulated. Yeezy's back on. We're also gonna do some vending machine hunting. Yoo-hoo!
Let's go. God, dude, you got the key in the door.
Bring it. For night videography, this isn't all that bad, but it's not the best either. Wait, let me try manual. Much better. Yeah, this is a pretty decent spot. This is the alleyway right behind our building. There's cars coming.
Car.
Stay like that, don't move. Alright, first stop, get some hot coffee so we can actually stay up for the shit. Yo, we need to be awake. Premium boss. It's so hot.
Oh shit,
That's awesome. Keep yourself awake, bro.
What's up, people? Talking to the girl right here.
He ain't single.
But can you single?
You want to try this little park? Oh my gosh, hi! What's that? Hello, Dougie Doug. Hi, Dougie Doug Doug. Bye-bye! Chrysler 300 on 22s. This is considered import here. That's pretty dope, man. Which way?
No.
Gotta do it for the vlog.
Remember, good day.
Yeah. I'll show you guys what some of these photos look like afterwards.
I tried like how many different beach names?
Yeah, I know, man. You gotta try them all. Jared found his twin.
Why? We have the same car.
He's crying. You guys should see some of the photos that we took at this spot. Oh, yeah, I'm pretty satisfied. What say you?
Yeah.
We can start heading back. Alright, we did it, guys. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. Hella tired. We've done so much walking these past 3 days, and it's only the third day. We still have like 10 more to go. I'm not sad though. Actually, these past couple days, it's just been us, like I said, enjoying Japan for what it is, like doing the touristy stuff, sightseeing, taking photos in Shibuya Crossing, trying ramen, actual authentic Japanese food. We have yet to actually go to a sushi restaurant, and I'm actually looking super forward to that. But I guess until then, probably just gonna pass out. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to keep updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button, drop a like, and I will see you guys on the next video.